know, actually for me, this is not even that many boxes. Today I am unboxing weird things I bought on the internet because Lord knows I buy a lot of things on the internet and honestly none of them are normal, but this week I bought some even weirder stuff than usual, so enjoy. Okay, we'll start with something festive. Oh, do you guys see this? Look at how adorable this is. It's a little carousel. This is the cutest little thing I've ever seen.
I buy all of these on eBay because I'm an eBay nerd. I love it.
I also got this one. Oh my goodness. It's a little Christmas themed present. Oh my god, they're adorable. And then I also got this big one. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It is a little crystal rocking horse. These are the cutest things in the world. You guys already know I have like a giant Swarovski crystal collection. I just love these. I think they're the cutest things in the whole world. They're just so cute. Look at how cute that is. Oh, that looks amazing. Yes, my Christmas decorations go up November 1st. All right, next weird thing. Oh my god, do you guys see this? Look at how beautiful they are. Do you know what these are? These are hand painted Tiffany & Co. China. Unbelievable. Oh, not that weird of a purchase for a normal person, but I don't own a kitchen table, so it definitely falls in the category of weird. However, oh, I love them. Oh, I love them. Okay, so that's that. Let's see what else. This is a first edition of Peter Pan. Oh, look at that. Published 1911. This is so cool. I collect old books, but specifically I've started recently getting into first edition like collector's item books. And this is one that I've had on my list for a really long time, you know, because like I feel like I'm an adult who never grows up. So, you know, this one's really special. You guys know I keep all the books in the ballroom. Still decorated for Halloween, but Christmas is coming. I love them. I still have a couple shelves left to do, but I keep all my Uther special ones over here. How cool is that? You guys know, obviously I collect all the Swarovski figurines. Beautiful little Tinkerbell, and that just looks gorgeous. So random, I know, but you want to know an even more random thing? Wallpaper. So you guys have seen on my Instagram stories, I've been talking about putting up wallpaper in this haul forever, ever. And the stars just happen to align sometimes. You guys know on my mood board, don't even ask why I put wallpaper on there, but I did. And I went to a charity gala earlier this year and I was sitting next to a woman named Jennifer Gracie. So we get to talking and she mentions that she owns Gracie Wallpaper, which is literally like the Chanel of wallpaper, you guys. I have been following it on Instagram for a while. I know it. It's like very famous. I couldn't believe it. So she invited me into the showroom. It was so fun. I went and poked around and looked at stuff. They even just came out with a book. So she gave me this gorgeous book. She even signed one of their books for me. Isn't this gorgeous? They do the most fabulous, gorgeous wallpapers all over the world. And that's the origin story of my new wallpaper. So you can see here the walls are just plain, very dull, very boring, literally giving nothing. Just generically pretty boring. So I brought home some of the samples. You can see I have put them all up on the wall here. What I decided to do was get this gold metallic, because that is going to be just gorgeous. It'll have like a doubled effect, so the whole hallway will look all done. All right guys, welcome back to Amber's Construction Madhouse, where I look crazy and there's crazy things going on behind me. Ooh, look how shiny. Oh, it's gonna be so beautiful. Getting all sliced up. It's getting all rolled up. My books are coming in hella handy right now. Yay!
So we laid it all out on the floor and the guys cut it up and made it look all perfect. And well, I didn't do anything. They installed the whole thing because I didn't want to mess it up. It's like fancy wallpaper. So just a before to remember how dull the hallway was. Ta-da! Much more fun it is now. Oh my gosh. Beautiful little flowers, little butterflies, little birdies. Like, look at how beautiful that is in the background now. Oh, it's like I live in a little garden. So thank you, Gracie, for making my walls look fabulous.
All right, so far I got wallpaper, a book, Swarovski, china for my no table. What other weird things did I get? Ooh, how about some fashion? Ooh, okay, so this is Dolce & Gabbana tweed suit. So this wouldn't actually be that weird, aside of the fact that this is 500 sizes too big. Literally the skirt will fall off if I don't hold it up. However, I got this on eBay for $120, which is a steal for a Dolce & Gabbana suit. And if you guys remember, I used to do videos where I would like alter old stuff all the time. So I'm gonna give this a little makeover too. Do you guys see the vision? It's gonna be fashion, I promise. And, oh God. And for now, it's hilarious. You want me to play with you in the middle of the hall? Okay. Okay, ready? Bye-bye. All right, more fashion. Oh yeah. I love an oversized college sweatshirt, which again, wouldn't be that weird, but I didn't go to Harvard, so it's a little weird. This is a real vintage one, by the way. Like you can see the raised letters. This is so nice. It's a little weird that I also bought a hat. Go Crimson! I went to Pepperdine, guys. It's just their colors are orange and that's just not flattering. What else did we get? Oh my God, you want to talk about something weird? This makes my arms look crazy right now. But anyways, I love Halloween. Obviously, you guys know. So these wings were on sale on Amazon, so I got them. Look at this, you guys ready? Unbelievable. Let's just wait till I decorate these next year. Oh, it's gonna be insane. These are gonna be the greatest wings the internet's ever seen next year. And for now, they're just fun. Oh, okay. My God, I don't even know what else did I get in this haul. Yep, you know, actually, I think the only thing that could possibly follow that up is this. I'm not gonna lie, I actually did not get this on the internet. I got this at CVS and I could not stop laughing when I saw this. I was like, this is the best thing I've ever seen. Boss of the Glam Squad? Bro! It was only $10.99 and I had a 40% off coupon. This is just the funniest thing I've ever seen. My friends are actually always sending me texts like this. Honestly, they're not wrong. This does kind of look like me. Like, this is literally the funniest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, I love this. Birds are my favorite animal. My spirit animal, really. Thank you to whoever made this. I can't wait to use this. Okay, something else I got in real life. I happened into one of my favorite little antique stores the other day and look at this, look what I found.
I admit sometimes I literally am driving and I will just pull off to random antique stores that I see on the side of the street. But oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this literal treasure that I found. Oh, this is a gorgeous little etched mirror. They do not make mirrors like this anymore. Oh my God, I was so gagged when I saw this. It is just gorgeous. Wow. I wasn't sure if I was gonna buy it, but honestly, I took this little random picture of it and was like, yep, this is it, sold. So home it came.
Isn't it just beautiful? Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, it's gorgeous, it's gorgeous. Like this is etched glass, which they don't do anymore. This is like carved in the mirror. It is so beautiful. You can see actually from the back here, the design is actually carved into the glass itself. Oh. It's like Carrie Bradshaw's mirror, who you know is my idol of life, so obviously I had to get it. Wow, it is just gorgeous. Ugh. I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet, clearly, but you know, for now, it's gonna sit here on the floor. Speaking of mirrors though, something weird that I bought online is another mirror. Yay, another giant mirror! Okay, so again, not that weird for a normal person to buy a mirror. Very, very weird for me to buy a mirror, especially because my whole damn house, as you well know, is literally currently already all a mirrors. However, I need a mirror that I can drag around the house for my aesthetic Tumblr pictures. If you guys saw all my Halloween costume photos, fire. I like to take those sometimes in the middle of the room. Like see, there's a mirror over there and there's a giant mirror here. but I wanted to take a photo with the fireplace in the background as a selfie, and there's no mirror right here. So ta-da! I needed a mirror that I could literally drag around the house so I can just have one literally actually anywhere I want. See? Now I can take selfies right here. Yeah, deranged, I know. It's a really great mirror, like good quality, no warping or anything. It's got an arch on it, which I thought was cool. It stands on its own, which is also really nice. Like you guys saw my Marie Antoinette costume that I took right here. So while it is a weird thing to buy another mirror when you already have 7,000 million mirrors, for me, this made sense. I dragged it on the balcony for my Tinkerbell photo. I took the showgirl costume in my room in front of my bed. It takes true dedication to be the queen of Pinterest photos. I'm just gonna leave that there for now. Oh, my house is such a weird place. My tree like halfway up in the background. And we'll walk back through the hall of mirrors to finish our haul. Okay guys, another thing that's really special. I already showed you one book that I got. This one is actually even more incredible. Look at this. Only 100 copies printed. Number 4. This is in plastic casing because I'm not supposed to touch it because it's that special, but look at that. Beauty and the Beast. It is a gorgeous book. Look at this. 1886. This absolutely hands down one of the coolest things that I've ever owned in my entire life. It's unbelievable. Next to my little Swarovski. Oh my gosh, look at that. Now that is literally treasure. Oh, you guys. I love books, I love them, I love them, I love them. They're just truly from time gone by, you know? So cool. All right, again, something not that weird, but weird. All right, again, something that doesn't seem weird, but is really weird. It's not that strange to buy shorts, aside of the fact that it's November, but it is kind of weird to buy Forever 21 shorts on eBay. And it's kind of weird to buy them in 3 colors, and also a striped version, and also another striped version. Oh yes, 5 pairs of the same shorts. However, I am obsessed with these. I always say if you find something you're obsessed with, you should buy it in every color. Oh my gosh, like Pinup doll shorts, I'm obsessed with them. I have them in white and I love them, so I went online. I found them in black and in the pink and in the blue. I just, buying them on Poshmark and eBay, they were literally, I got this pair for $9, insane. I love the pinup aesthetic, by the way. I've been like really into that lately, but one of my favorite artists you saw me post for Halloween. I love it. I want to do a whole lookbook where I dress up like that, but yeah, I think I'm gonna start dressing like a pinup doll all the time. Why not? Oh, like these are just to die cute. I wore them out with a corset the other day. I'm telling ya, show stop it. Okay, so on like a more serious note, not to be a downer, but I've talked about this in plenty of videos. I have severe clinical anxiety, just like general anxiety disorder. It is category like 100 million. It is really bad. If you sometimes like notice I will disappear and not like post for a while or something, that's because I'm usually just really going through it. And I was reading on Reddit like herbal remedies for anxiety, and I came across this. I've been taking this for about a month, and when I tell you, I literally feel like my life has changed. I can't believe this. Have any of you guys ever taken this before? It's like, I don't know if it's the placebo effect or what, but I feel unbelievable taking these. So got a fresh pack of that because I can't live without this now. Not that I never really believed in herbal medicine or anything before. I obviously like, I don't know, I'm obviously a fan of Western medicine. If I'm dying, I like to go to the doctor. This working so well has made me really want to get more into Eastern medicine. I'm really curious about herbal remedies and things, you know? You already know I love old stuff, so why wouldn't I like old medicine? Anyways, unbelievable. Alrighty, something else a little less weird, but also weird. Look at this. Do you guys even know what this is? Oh, these are antique style jewelry boxes. Oh, like look at that. Isn't that cool? What's even cooler about these is I designed them. So these are just like the first little samples of like my antique little style jewelry boxes. I've been talking for years about how much I like boxes like this. I just love them. I think they're so beautiful, and you honestly can't get them anymore. They're like hundreds of dollars on eBay and Etsy, and they don't make them like this anymore. So I decided I'm gonna make my own version. Obviously for the jewelry, this is not the final version yet, but I just was so excited to show you a little sample. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. What do you guys think though?
So there's this version, which has like the satin on the top and the satin on the bottom. You can see like it'll be for rings. Oh my God, they're gonna be so beautiful. So there's that version, or there's this version, which has satin on the top and then like the velvet on the inside. So guys, let me know. I don't know. Also, I'm gonna have like a nice little logo there and a pretty little box for it. I also had a version with a pillow made, and that's gonna be for like tennis bracelets and things, you know? So that'll sit in the box like this. Oh my God, it's gonna be so fabulous. This is the new tennis bracelet, by the way, you guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's literally gorgeous. You guys are gonna be gagged when you see this in real life. Ugh, it looks exactly like a real tennis bracelet. It's unbelievable. So let me know what you think of the boxes. I need help. I literally have been trying to decide about that for like so long. By the way, guys, something else exciting. The marquee ring is back, new, improved, extra fabulous. It is just unbelievable. Oh my God. And this is the one that I am most excited about. The new emerald ring is insane. I think this is literally the prettiest ring in the entire collection. It is giving Elizabeth Taylor. Oh, it is drop dead gorgeous. I can't believe this ring. These are just literally the best things in the whole world, literally. This is what I do in my free time, you guys. I just sit here and do this. Of all of the rings are officially available, plus the bracelet. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The boxes, honestly, are probably not going to be available for a while because I need to figure out what the final form of them is going to be. I know I'm always like half talking about the jewelry. I'll like mention it in videos like this and like that's kind of it. However, I am going to do a full business bitch video very soon because I've honestly just been like, I mean, you know, I've been talking about working on this for so long. I'm gonna do like a full business bitch, honestly, documentary on this because it is just so interesting and I just have so much to say about it. And I'm telling you, revolutionary. Like, I'm gonna tell you right now, remember this video. You'll see when I sell this company for hundreds of millions of dollars, you'll know why. But for now, it's available for you to shop. So all right here in the description, slay of the century. Next weird thing, a foot massager. Yes, I really did get this. Look at this. This is like, guys, this is the greatest thing in the world. One of my friends had this and then I was like so gagged. I was like, I must get this. So this is a Miko foot massager. Like, look at this. Are you guys ready? Do you guys see that? Or hear it? Look, it's massaging my feet in there. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. This is my new boyfriend. Something else I got, by the way. Look how exciting this is. I just thought I would brag, first of all. I put these in myself. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous little towel rods. Unbelievable. Look at those. These are Cheryl Wagner, which is, if you're keeping track, the very expensive, fabulous brand of sink that I am obsessed with. It does stuff like this. And my front doorknobs. Oh, gorgeous. So if you guys remember the lore, I had actually hung something like this before. I paid someone to hang them, and like a month later they came crashing down, so I had to find some new rods. I did find some official Cheryl Wagner rods. I watched some tutorials and I hung these myself. Fabulous. Can't wait to actually put towels on them, but beautiful. Even hung my beautiful toilet paper thing. Now that's quality. Talk about a weird thing to buy online. I'm telling you, when I bought this, I was like, huh, new weird list level unlocked even for me. So those are the weird things I bought online this week. Thanks for watching. And by the way, remember, being weird is not a bad thing. It makes you unique. Someone actually commented this on my Instagram photo the other day, and that actually really does mean a lot to me, you know. It's much cooler to be a trendsetter than a trend follower, so always march to the beat of your own drum, unabashedly.
I love you so, so, so very much. Kisses till next time. XO. Honestly, I would say my videos are usually like less weird than this, but honestly they're not, so like, comment, subscribe.